Ooh, look at that cheese. Hey boos, so it's a really rainy, dreary day in Pennsylvania, and I just went food shopping late last night. Oh my god, I'm like not fully in frame. I went food shopping late last night and I got so much food, and it really inspired me to do another what I eat in a day video. I feel like I haven't done one of these in so long, so I'm gonna walk you through what I eat today. I'm probably gonna eat like 5 meals today because a lot of the stuff that I bought is super fresh, and I go to New York City this weekend and I wanna make sure I eat everything. So join me today on this rainy spring day while I make a lot of food. This is another what I eat in a day video for spring. So right now I'm making like breakfast sandwiches. So this is my skillet right now. So I'm gonna add the egg on top, then I'm gonna flip the pork roll and then put it on top and then close the sandwich. That on there. Ooh, look at that cheese. Oh my god, it melted so good. Wow. First bite. Look how good that looks. Whatever cheese I used is so creamy. Look at that. So rewind the vlog just a little bit. I just woke up. I didn't eat breakfast yet, but I do want to let you guys know that I'm not drinking coffee this morning. And those of you who've been watching my videos know that I've been leaning towards teas and supplements for the past 1.5 to 2 years now. So I'm gonna make myself a tea supplement drink. This video is sponsored by Peak. This is a supplement tea that I drink daily. So thank you so much, Peak, for responding to my DMs and working with me. So without further ado, I'm gonna show you guys how to make my drink, and I'm really excited that this is a part of my vlog. I used to drink coffee all the time in the past, and even though I still do drink coffee, right now I've definitely been experimenting with teas and supplements for the last 1.5, 2 years. These are my Peak products, and right now I'm showing you guys how I make my Sun Goddess matcha. By the way, it tastes so incredible. The BT fountain is clinically proven to keep skin hydrated, improves elasticity, and helps reduce fine lines. These packs also come with electrolytes that really help replenish electrolytes and help combat brain fog. I can't tell you guys enough how much this has saved me in the morning when I have a hangover. It really helps everything. This is one of my favorite parts of my morning routine. I love to enjoy a warm cup of matcha in the mornings, and I make my glass of BT fountain in the afternoons for a hydration boost. But in this case, I'm showing you guys how I make a cold cup of the matcha. So basically, I just mix it together with the mixer that the packs come with, and you guys can totally head to peaklife.com, which is down below. If you click the link in the description box, you'll get 15% off and free shipping for life with Peak's Radiant Skin Duo. So for lunch, I'm going to be making a burrata salad, and I'm going to make the base these like peppers and onions, and then I'm adding some chopped olive tapenade on top of that, and then some roasted tomatoes, and of course the burrata, and a nice fig glaze over top, and I'm gonna make it nice and pretty. Look how good that looks. So good. So colorful. Let's try this burrata with one of the roasted tomatoes. I was about to blow on this. Oh my God, that's what she said. And this is like a really nice, refreshing like spring salad. I love how piecey and watery like a burrata is. Like, oh, so good. So I just got my nails done, little Easter nails, and now I'm gonna go to the hair salon and get my roots touched up. They got very hot over the last 24 hours. I got my hair done yesterday, so I'm going back to the salon to get a root touch up, but I'm still hungry after lunch, so I'm gonna have a chicken salad snack. I wanna show you guys my outfit though. Look how cute this like little workout skirt is. I just wanted to wear like a cute girly pullover, my Vivienne Westwood necklace, this cute little tennis skirt, and then my Celine sneakers. Okay guys, so I'm hitting the bottom of my grilled chicken salad. So I'm gonna do something that some of you guys might think is gross. I'm gonna take my shredded pecorino romano. Why am I shaking it? And I'm just gonna put some in here and mix it. It's so good. Pecorino with chicken salad is so good. It's such a good snack. The celery like mixed with the pecorino and the chicken, like it's just such a good combo, guys. Can you tell what my favorite food group is? I don't know. I'm gonna go to my hair appointment, and by the time I get home, I'll probably make another snack or have dinner. Hey boos, so I just got back from my hair appointment. It's like 5 p.m. now. I have plans tonight, so I placed an order on, I'm lighting this candle. I placed an order on DoorDash for hibachi, and yeah, I just lit my sweet carrot cake candle because I'm feeling very festive. So the hair is done. The roots are looking a lot better. My new necklaces came in the mail. I got them from Fashion Nova. I saw their jewelry section and I was like in love, so yay, got new jewelry. So I have plans tonight and I'm like not feeling like making dinner. So I placed an order on DoorDash for hibachi. I got hibachi chicken and fried rice and a side salad, but I'm still hungry, so I'm gonna make another snack. But like, this is one of those snacks that like I wouldn't document, but I think it's gonna be interesting to see your guys' reactions. So basically I'm gonna be making pizza soup. Okay, hear me out. Melted mozzarella cheese, spicy cut pepperoni, and pizza sauce, all mixed together after being in the microwave. So I'm gonna get me a bowl. I gotta be careful, I'm wearing a light colored top. Just put a little bit in there. I don't like too much tomato sauce, okay? Like it's okay, but when there's too much of it, it's like yucky. Then I'm gonna take whatever's left of my mozzarella cheese. See? And I'm just gonna mix it around. Oh look, the sun's coming out. Aw, it's so pretty out. I'm gonna pop this in the microwave. For 1 minute, I put it in, but I take it out sooner. Yo, cold tomato sauce is not it. Oh, hell no. I like it when the cheese isn't too melted. Let me see it right now. I stir it together. I like when the cheese is like halfway melted. Look how good that looks. I like to stand and eat when I'm snacking because if I sit down, I'm just gonna be on my phone. I'm not gonna get stuff done. I have a Zoom meeting and I have Cameo videos tonight. Oh, by the way, I'm doing a FaceTime feature on Cameo. Oh, this is so good. Look at that. So, my account with Cameo is now able to have a FaceTime feature. So, I can do one-on-one FaceTime calls for 10 minutes. And it's linked down below if you guys want to get tickets. This type of mozzarella is like what they put on a pizza. So it literally tastes like I'm eating the top of a pizza off. It's so good. I love cheese. Look at these cute little Easter napkins. I cannot stop buying adorable Easter napkins. This is the third batch of Easter napkins that I've recently bought. So it's officially dark outside and my hibachi arrived. It came with a side salad, but I'm saving that for lunch tomorrow. That's not gonna be my entire lunch, but it's gonna be a part of my lunch. So I got fried rice, hibachi chicken, veggies, and then the order said it came with like 2 shrimp. I don't understand like what the 2 shrimp is all about, but okay. So this looks like it's like that ginger hibachi dip. Smells really good. I'm gonna try the shrimp first since it's so highly featured. Oh my god. I like to pick up a vegetable and then pick up a piece of chicken. And this is so good. Now the fried rice. Guys, I love fried rice. Oh my god. I'm so happy eating this. So I'm meeting up for drinks with Kenny in a little bit. So I'm gonna like change my outfit, fix my makeup. I'm gonna close this vlog here. I'm eating the second shrimp. I think this is the only shrimp left in this order. 2 shrimp. But I'm gonna close this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this what I eat in a day video. It was very chill. I was really in the mood to film one of these, and you guys honestly request these the most on my channel. Other than trying to get the tea for my life. Well, that's it for this fancy vlog. I would love to sit here and eat this entire meal on YouTube with you guys, but I feel like you guys would get bored. If you're interested in just plain mukbangs, I also want to know, because I love eating and I love putting it on camera. I love you guys so much. I'm working so hard on my next single release. I'm really excited. Make sure to subscribe to my fanfics if you want to see behind the scenes of that. If you want to FaceTime me, all that stuff is linked down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video.